at the first official test day of 2022 at OSW. So we rented the track here. We got 8 drivers, stacking up to actually be a pretty good track day. We got Ryan on the way, Charlie with his car, and we're gonna just stretch some tires and test the car. And I don't know, we got new Wisefab on the front of my car, a different gear. We're gonna try out some different tires. So we're running tire streets this year. So the Accelera 651 Sport. I've got a few different sizes that I wanted to try just to see where the gearing was gonna end us up on the banking versus like the skid pad and even the flat, because basically Freedom Factory is gonna be a bank to basically a skid pad with a bunch of large concrete blocks. So we need to make sure that we're dialed in good.
What?
Whatever you can, give me a second. Who's driving?
It's all aluminum too?
Yes, sir.
I'm jealous.
I land a mobile tire.
Oh, I land a mobile tire.
Hey, all right.
What's up? Shh, private test day. That guy
Hey, about to have some serious fun in the drift cars.
is out of the bat cave.
We're here today in Orlando Speed World, about to have some serious fun with my teammate Nick Jeezy, out here with Charlie Ferrari, Casey Murphy behind the camera, and yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Gonna test the cars out for Klutch Kickers, hopefully have some really solid test runs, and all goes well.
I cannot believe I did not have Wisefab in the front on my car before. I've been driving 15 years too long without it. The car feels so good.
I ran it for like, what, 45 minutes without turning the car off, lap after lap. I'd say it's pretty legit.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy.
Same with mine.
How do you feel?
Just so
Good. Yeah, just try to figure this gearing out, which I think I need to run forth.
Look, we brought our official towel and t-shirt dryer for when you're sweating your ass off.
Spider monkeys.
Oh. Hello! Hello!
Make sure you always floss. This one was all the way in there.
Did I make my back half the white that I painted?
How'd it feel out there today?
Good. Good. Yeah, no complaints. Weather's nice.
It's killers, honestly. We went down the best day.
Back out there? my god!
We had a toe shot down there. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Okay.
We're good. I'm out of tire.
What?
Tire's done.
Did this fall off?
Yeah, like, I don't know. Something's fucked up with it.
Huh. Alright.
You want to ride?
Huh?
You want to ride?
Am I high?
A ride.
Want to ride?
Do you want to ride out?
Oh, a ride?
Yeah.
Test day is doing phenomenal. The boys are killing it. In that FB line at OSW's bank here.
Rippy.
Quick cruise around the pit.
Rippy. Oh, I'm gonna do the 360 at the top there. Now.
First time sliding on the track?
Yeah.
Ever, yeah.
It feels much better with these OCs. Those ain't that
Yes, sir.
What's happening? We're DPing.
DP.
Well, it's the reason you call it a test, right? You're testing stuff.
Slave cylinder blew out. Car's stuck. Can't put it in gear.
When did you turn into the pit boy?
You
He's
know.
the wheelman.
Wheelman.
He's the wheelman.
All I know is lug nuts and wheels.
All I know.
Wheels.
Comes in handy.
You're gonna pull his bumper off.
You know,
How about your
blowing
final
things
thoughts?
out. It was a great day. We had a really good time. Besides my car, you know, giving me a little issue halfway through. I think it'll be an easy thing to overcome when I get back tomorrow and swap the slave cylinder out, and training should be shifting fine again.
How'd the car feel otherwise?
The car felt really good. I still want more seat time in it, of course, but I'll take what I can get. You know, I'm not gonna be greedy, but yeah, I'm excited. Definitely feel more confident going into Klutch Kickers knowing that I ran my car for at least 45 minutes without turning it off, lap after lap after lap, and no issues besides after we turned it off and let it sit. Go figure.
Yeah.
But is what it is. Part of the game. Great teamwork,
thought?
boys.
Hold my leg. Oh, found the last piece to make my car start. Woo!
Hello. Test day is complete. Car ran better than I actually expected. For me, I found some really nice points of the car and where to put my car and how to actually throw it with the new WiseFab. We also fortunately found out Ryan's failure point of the car sitting for so long, so that's exciting. So we're gonna have to throw in a throwout bearing tomorrow and send the car to paint so it looks good for Klutch Kickers. So me, I just gotta clean them up, clean some stuff up, and just review some footage and technique and see where we land. But we're excited, and thank you for watching.